We are removing the upper bolt and the lower bolt for the transmission to engine attachment.
Okay.
Now this would be after a person does an alignment, and that will be on another video that we'll produce.
So this is after the alignment?
Well, yeah. So it's a do-it-yourself with everything you need when you're inside this cupboard. Is the basic selling thing is it's got everything a guy needs. Step 2 is tap the holes. And I don't like his socket, but I'm going to use it. Let me get my glasses on. And the main idea is use a long extension so you can eye down the tool to make sure it's straight. Start nice and slow, keeping the tool perpendicular with this surface. Because of the size of the threads, it taps very readily into the aluminum. Tap until it stops, because they need to know it taps the same way. And the tap comes in the kit. It's the important thing. Tap comes, everything comes in the kit.
A little piece of tubing, you want to see if I can find it?
Yeah, I gotta be able to blow the junk out of there.
Let me find it.
Even though that's not on the video, we just need. Okay, now you want to get shots of the threaded holes?
What?
Do you want to get a close-up of the threaded holes down inside? Can you zoom in and... You got it?
The software.
That we just tapped. Now we're installing new bolts, grade 0.5. They make up for the lost threads,
Right.
so that you've got the same amount of distance. Huh? What's that? I couldn't hear you. What did you
I was
ask?
just wondering if you're going to need an extension on it.
Oh no, I'm just bringing them in close just so I'm not spinning my wheels trying to tighten them. Oh, God damn it. Okay, that's all I needed. Is that. We set our torque wrench at 64 foot-pounds.
Fight you all the way?
No, it's always a fight. No, it's just, okay, we set our torque wrench at 64 foot-pounds.
Little car.
Okay, plates complete. Locking transmission to engine. 64 foot-pounds, 64, 64, 64.